Make a horseshoe and asked my hammer thus. He said, I'll ask the anvil what you require of us. The hammer asked the anvil, and she had once agreed that they should meet together in the way that I decreed. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song.
Thought to make an anchor for taking on the main. The hammer and the anvil relented once again. So they sat there together as I prepared the cast. They braced themselves for impact like a sailor on the mast. And it's
sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. I thought to make a broadsword for fighting on the field, just as I know the hammer is a nobler thing to wield. When there was humble tradesfolk choose a quiet life, the gods of war come to the door, the hammer and his wife. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. They asked me for a statue of a general who died with a sword.
See this thing? It's throwing me off. There it is, there it is, there it is. Don't you start with me, Rich. They asked me for a statue of a general who died with a sword raised in his iron fist and a war horse at a stride. And though I knew they'd try me for what I did decide, I stuck a hammer in his fist and a ladder by his side. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. Now all you merry blacksmiths, a warning take by me. Stick to your country or shoes, your anchors for the sea. For when the gods of war come calling, promising you gold, they'll take your hammer, take your anvil, take your very soul. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song.